Hey, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to edit what looks like an HDR photo out of a single image in Photoshop. It's a pretty quick edit, really. So you'll have to open up the Camera Raw editor, which is the shortcut Control-Shift-A. And then I make contrast 100. And then highlights is going to be negative 100. And then shadows is 100. And then I make clarity 25. And then that's pretty much the basic thing. And you can mess with your saturation a little if you want it to be black and white or whatever. And if your photo maybe looks too strongly HDR, you can always make it less. Maybe do like plus 50 instead. Whatever you think looks good. And yeah, so this is the final like before-after comparison. If you have any suggestions for future photography tutorials, whether it's editing or how to shoot a certain thing, just leave a comment and maybe I'll make a video for that. I hope you learned something from this. I'm sure there's lots of other videos out there with basically the same information. I learned this from a book, so it's not like it's my idea necessarily. Just putting that out there. But yeah, if you want to buy this edited version, you can check it out on my Redbubble page. And make sure to follow me on Instagram for more photos and behind the scenes and stuff. So, okay, thank you.